Good morning, everyone. Myself Aman from BSc Chemistry Honors Final Year. Topic of my presentation is catalyst. Catalysts are defined as those substances which alter the rate of reaction by changing the path of reaction. Most of time a catalyst is used to speed up or increase the rate of reaction. However, if we go to deeper level, catalysts are used to break or rebuild the chemical bond between the atoms which are present in molecule of different elements or compounds. In essence, catalysts encourage molecule to react and make whole reaction process easier and more efficient. Some of the important characteristic feature of catalyst are: first, a catalyst does not initiate a chemical reaction. Second, a catalyst is not consumed in reaction. Third, catalysts tend to react with reactants to form intermediates and at the same time facilitate the production of final reaction product. After the whole process, a catalyst can regenerate. A catalyst can either be solid, liquid, or gaseous. Some of solid catalysts include metals or their oxide, including sulfides and halides. Semi-metallic elements such as boron, aluminium, and silicon are also used as catalysts. Further, liquid and gaseous elements which are in pure form are used as catalysts. Sometimes these elements are also used along with suitable solvent or carriers. The reaction which involve a catalyst in their system is known as catalytic reaction. In other words, a catalytic action is a chemical reaction between the catalyst and a reactant. This results in the formation of chemical intermediate that can further react quite readily with each other or with another reactant to form a product. However, when a reaction between chemical intermediate and the reactant occur or take place, the catalyst is regenerated. The reaction modes between the catalyst and the reactant usually tend to vary widely. In cases of solid catalyst, it is more complex. Reaction can be acid-base reaction, oxidation-reduction reaction, or coordination complexes formation, as well as the production of free radical. For solid catalyst, the reactance mechanism is generally influenced by surface properties of electronic or catalytic structure. Some type of solid catalyst, such as polyfunctional catalyst, can have several reaction modes and reactant. Type of catalyst. There are several type of catalyst that can used be upon their depending. First, positive catalyst. Catalysts that increase the rate of chemical reaction are positive catalyst. It increases the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy barrier such that a large number of reacting molecules are converted into product and therefore percentage yield of product increases. Negative catalyst. Catalysts that decrease the rate of reaction are called negative catalyst. It decreases the rate of reaction by increasing activation energy barrier, which decrease the number of reactant molecule to transform into product, and hence the rate of reaction decreases. Promoter or accelerator. A substance that increases the catalyst activity is known as promoter or accelerator. Thank you.